today's video, we're going to use this two-string configuration for the A minor blues scale. I will play you a quick example of how this is played in all positions. Don't try to play this right now, just watch, because in the drill you will have the exact diagrams below to guide you through. Now our goal for now is to jump around the fretboard as effortlessly as possible and locate the right notes based on the root note for this key. What you do with those notes exactly is up to you. Just improvise, and we'll work on specific improvisation tips in other JustPLAY videos. So let's start improvising by placing our system on string 6, but be on your toes because in less than a minute we'll move to another position. Alright, let's move to string 5. Okay, let's move to string 4. Now let's go to string 3. Here you need to shift SF4 one fret up. Now let's go to string 2. And now string 1, where we have just one string fragment, just 2 notes, but try to do your best anyway. And let's try that one octave higher. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this drill. I'll post similar fun practice tracks in multiple keys and on different lead guitar skills, which will give you a great workout. So make sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel. Enjoy your practice and be effective.